In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Twitch 1099 form on TurboTax. If you're a creator or streamer getting paid by Twitch, those earnings are usually considered self-employment income. Whether your form is a 1099 NEC from Twitch or a 1099K from a payment platform, you'll enter it in the self-employment section of TurboTax. Let's walk through exactly where to go so you can get set up quickly and correctly. First, sign in to your TurboTax return and head to the main menu. From there, click on Federal. This switches you into the federal portion of your return where all income and deductions are organized. It's the right place to be before you start adding anything related to self-employment. Next, move your mouse over Income. Hovering is all you need to do here. This reveals the income option so you can jump straight to the right area. If you're on a phone or tablet, you may need to tap Income to open the same options. Now, choose Wages and Income Summary. This page is like a dashboard for all the income types in your return. You'll see sections for wages, interest, investments, and importantly, self-employment. On the Wages and Income Summary screen, locate self-employment income and expenses. Click Revisit. This is the schedule where creators enter their business income and write off eligible expenses. If it's your first time here, the button might read Start, but the destination is the same. When TurboTax asks whether you have self-employment income, click Yes. Your Twitch 1099 income fits this category because you're working for yourself, not as a W-2 employee. Answering yes tells TurboTax to prepare the forms needed to report it properly. At this point, you'll need to be on the premium level to continue. TurboTax will prompt you to upgrade before it unlocks the self-employment section. Review the upgrade details, confirm the change, and then continue so the program can guide you through entering your Twitch income. This upgrade is necessary for the tools and forms that support creators and freelancers. Once you're in, TurboTax will walk you through entering the info from your 1099, along with any streaming-related expenses you've tracked, like equipment, software, subscriptions, and internet costs. Keep your 1099 bank statements and receipts nearby to make this smoother. Save as you go, and use the on-screen help if a question isn't clear. That's it. To recap the path: Federal, hover on Income, open Wages and Income Summary, select Self-Employment Income and Expenses, and click Revisit, choose Yes, and complete the process with a premium upgrade. You're ready to enter your Twitch 1099 the right way.